Do 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 do. Ozzy's tech and stuff. Yeah. Yo guys, what's going on? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Bluetooth keyboard. It is by Arteck, or is an Arteck HB030B universal backlit Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I was in the market for a keyboard for my iPad, since I'm starting to use my iPad for a lot more for editing and stuff like that. So I wanted a keyboard that wasn't gonna break the bank, and the best thing about this is it was only $20 off of Amazon. So I'll go ahead and link the link up in the description for the Amazon, just in case you guys want to purchase it. But the reason I pulled the trigger on this one was because it got a lot of great reviews. I've been watching YouTube videos, and the reviews were really good. So I went ahead and purchased this one right here. As you can see, it's saying certified packaging, frustration free, which is always good. So yeah, so no tape on there. Let's just go ahead and look at the box really quick. Don't want to spend too much on it. It's light, slim, portable, 7-color backlit keyboard, which is another big reason why I decided to go ahead and purchase this one versus other brands, is because it had the backlit keyboard, universal, so you can use it for, you know, your Windows PC, your Mac, iOS, Android, anything that takes Bluetooth. Basically, you can use this on. So let's go ahead and open it really quick. And it said it's frustration free, but okay, pretty much frustration free. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. The first thing you're greeted with is the keyboard itself. Now, wow, this thing is really slim. They weren't lying, this thing is really slim. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. Alright, toss that to the side. And as you can see, here is the keyboard itself. Right out the bat, it's really slim and light, and that's what I like about it. My iPad, I use it with one of these slim folio type of keyboards. Well, it's not actually a keyboard, it's like a case that it folds over. Actually, let me show you. Alright, so I use it with this case right here. I can flip it closed, and it's, you know, it's thin, it's not taking up too much space, and I just wanted something to just basically put on like that and just put it in my bag and have a keyboard with it, so that it doesn't oh wow, so what I'm noticing, it's getting stuck with the magnets, so it might just, you know, like, I'm not doing anything, it's just it's stuck with the magnets. So that's pretty cool. It'll actually, I can just put it in my bag just like this, and whenever I need the keyboard, I just take the keyboard out, and that way I can use it. So let me get rid of the iPad right now. I will be doing a type test later on, but let's just take a look at it here really quick. And it does have, let's see the typing on here. I'm kind of oddly positioned here, but this is a test. So if you can hear it, it's very clicky, and I kind of like that. It's not too clicky, but it does give you some you know, feedback back. And here you go. It's very plasticky off the bat. You'll feel that it's plastic. It doesn't feel very premium, but what do you expect for 20 bucks? Here is the thickness, or the thinness. Overall, just, you know, from the looks of it, it's actually pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair this to my iPad, and I will show you the finished result. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I went ahead and set up the keyboard. It comes up as Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. I went ahead and set it up. All you gotta do is turn the power on, hit connect, and it connects to the keyboard. You know, very frustration free, just like the packaging said, but as far as the connection goes. So let's go ahead and just do a type test here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I will be typing. This is a weird angle to be typing here because the camera's in the way. So this is a test. This is on. Yep. I'm messing up, but I think it's just it's the angle that I'm on. So far, right off the bat, I think it's very solid. Sorry for shaking the camera there, guys, again. But so far, I think it's very good. I mean, the typing, it gets the job done. Like I said, it's very slim. This does have RGB lights, and if I can remember from one of the reviews that I saw here, it's Alt, and this one, am I right? Function. Oh, there we go. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, guys. I'll move it a little bit closer if you can't, but there is red. There you go, red. Is that RGB lights? So red lights on there. Pretty cool, and you can change them here by function and this button right here. Actually, that just turns it on. So I think, what was it? Let's set it down. Function, light, and up. Okay, there we go. Function, light, and up changes the colors. That's green. That's purple, green, a greener green,
bruh,
blue, and back to red. So, like it says, it does have like, looks like 7 colors. I'll leave it at red for now, just because it's easier to see for me. And then you just press like that, function, and to turn it off. So that's pretty cool. I'm really liking this keyboard so far, guys. Not sure if you can see the screen on the iPad, but let me see if I can zoom in here on the screen so you guys can see the typing. Alright, guys, so one more time, I zoomed in here on the screen, and I'm going to be, this is a test. I messed up there. Promise I typed just slightly better than that. Aussies, tech, and stuff. Oh, that's not stuff at all. Well, and I like the way it sounds. It's not too clicky, but it's not too quiet either. This is a test. So I got this mainly to be writing my scripts for my videos. If you can see, I have a couple there already. But yeah, I got it to write some of my scripts and just to jot down notes or anytime I need it. And I didn't want to spend you know, $200 for the official Apple one, because I don't use it that much. And I also didn't want to spend, I think the Logitech one that's getting even better reviews, it's like $130. But that comes with a case. It adds thickness to the iPad. So I wanted to basically keep a thin iPad, but be able to still use the keyboard. So let me zoom out here a little bit. I still wanted to use the keyboard, and I went ahead and got this right here. I'll let you know. The battery is, you know, they're saying it's gonna be like 6 months of battery, and it is a rechargeable. Let me see here, micro USB right there. Can we get it? Can we get it? Okay, so here goes. I think you can see it there. Let me see if I can focus on here. Yep, micro USB right there. All around, nothing really too crazy. It does come with these little grips here. Let me see, focus. It does come with these little grips here that you can attach to the bottom of it, and this micro USB cable, which I have like 10,000 of, and the manual here that it tells you, you know, everything about the keyboard itself. So that is all. I'm going to be using this, and I'll comment below if I'm liking it or not, or disliking it. Remember to like my page, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I'll go ahead and again, I'll link my Instagram username on the bottom here, so just in case you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can. And that's it. Hopefully I enjoy this keyboard, and hopefully if you're thinking about buying this keyboard, that this video helped you. So until the next one, guys, peace.